Hello, everyone. This is Kate with Streamline Marketing. Today, I want to go over a tip video with you on how to access and share your digital business card using your Command mobile app. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is log into your Command app on your mobile device. From there, you're going to want to click your name in the top left-hand corner, okay? From there, you're going to see that you have the My Business card that is going to appear right below your profile. Okay, so if we go ahead and click that, that's going to give us a QR code. It's going to give our name and basic information to allow us to share with a contact. Okay, they can scan this or we can share. Scanning it will add us to their phone as a contact. Sharing it will also allow us to be added as a contact. Now with this, there's very few details that you can add to this. It's going to pull most of those details from your profile in the Command app. Currently, it does not add a photo or any other important information, but if you do need to edit that profile, that's going to be done right above the app or right above the digital business card. And we do have a tip video that goes over that as well. So check that out. And if you have any questions at all, please reach out to our support team. Our email is support@scotlandmarketing.com. Have a great day.